Today we have a full cylinder head service job of 5.7 liter Hemi heads for a local shop. First we disassemble the heads, removing the springs and valves. Next we wash the heads and dry them before we insert them into our glass bead machine. While doing this, we remove any imperfections and carbon buildup in and around the heads. We then proceed to the wash a second time to help ensure all glass and sand is removed from the cylinder head. We then set up the cylinder head to get resurfaced. A surfacer is a precision machining tool designed to restore and machine the sealing surface of an engine cylinder head. It removes a controlled amount of material from the head's deck surface to ensure it is perfectly flat, smooth, and within the manufacturer's specified tolerances. After a third wash, the cylinder head is ready for assembly. From here we're on the home stretch. We now move on to reassemble the heads with the new valves and seals along with new valve springs. And finally, for our last step, we vacuum test both the intake and exhaust side of the heads to ensure they are in perfect working order before being installed or returned to the customer.